Good morning. So just now I bought this watch, Redmi Watch 2 Lite. Now I have here. I have to look what is there. Display screen, heart rate sensor, contact points, watch. Here they have here. Contact points, it's here. Good. And this is the display screen. Okay. So this is the function button and charging cable. Function button, look function button. This is the function button here, and charging cable. This is the charging cable which I received here. Yeah, this is the charging cable. So charging cable. Then what I have to do? How to wear? Okay. Okay, one finger means I have to make the distance. Okay. How to use it? So many instructions are here. I have to read one by one to look. This is warranty notice. This may be in another language. Yeah, this is another language. This will be more. This will be in Spanish and charging. Okay, the charging will be here this point. Okay, charging. What I am looking how to what I see that same information in different language in this booklet. Here also you can see how to connect for charging in different in Arab language. Okay, so this booklet is Redmi Watch 2 Lite user manual. Okay, and okay, so many languages are there, so you can look which. Okay, no problem. What I have to do it on, maybe I just now it is open. I was thinking, oh, this is which language I want. I want English. Is it selected English? just wait. Yes, because you can turn like this, so I have to select English. Okay, so selected English. Okay, what? Scan to download, scan to download. Let's see what I have to download. I'm going to scan it. Okay, so now about watch. About watch model, these all the things. Regulatory. Okay, okay. And then these are the things, information that I have. Okay. Now what I have to do? So these are the information you can find here. What is the further step? I have to see. Actually, when you do first time, we don't have idea how to do. Let's see. If I do power off now. Okay. Now if I on again, I click 2 times. Okay, English. Okay, the code, this code, right? Overall, you have to scan the you have to download the application, then scan the code barcode, and from there you can see all the information in the mobile phone. Even you will connect the mobile phone and watch. You have to do pairing also. So it's very easy. First, what you have to do, you have to search Xiaomi Fitness in Google app, download it, then after download, when you will open that app, it will ask you to scan the code which is appearing on your watch. So you just scan it. After scanning it, it will show you that your your watch is connected with the mobile phone, and then you will see all the settings, all the things you can do through mobile phone. Okay, so good. I'm going to enjoy. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you.